subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Vivo has launched its new entry-level smartphone under Y series in Cambodia called Vivo Y1s with unique gradient finish. Talking about the specifications, the Vivo Y1s supports a 6.22-inch Halo Full View display with HD Plus resolution and 88.6% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Helio P35 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The smartphone packs with 2GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that is further expandable via dedicated microSD card slot. As per the camera, the Vivo Y1s features a single 13MP camera on the rear with f2.2 aperture. For selfies, it has 5MP camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f1.8 aperture. And additionally, the front camera also supports face unlock system for authentication. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 with FunTouchOS 10.5 skin on top, and it houses 4030 mAh battery. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a micro USB charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 155.11 by 75.09 by 8.28mm and it weighs around 161 grams. Now talking about the pricing. The Vivo Y1s has been priced at $109 and it will be available in Aurora Blue and Olive Black color options. So, what do you guys think of this Vivo Y1s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.